Hello, my name is Stephen Thomas. I've been in the construction industry, heavy commercial construction industry for 33 years, and I am sick of working for the man making them millions of dollars. And I figured it was about time that um, I took care of my family. So I have made the leap into the drone field. I am new to this. Both of my boys in high school have taken drone classes, and that is what initially got me interested in drones. And so I have been researching it for about 6 to 8 months now, and have decided to take the leap. I've done a lot of research online, and um, your program keeps popping up at the top of the list that it's a must to go to. So I have enrolled myself in this class seminar, and the first day has been phenomenal. It's been actually life changing, I will say, to go from hot buttons to platitudes and to realize how um, basically how the world is run on platitudes, no matter which industry you go to, whether it's construction, car sales, insurance, you name it. They've done it longer, better than anyone else. So, it's been real refreshing for me, um, at my age to actually get a reboot on what's important to be successful in business. And I've held off on purchasing equipment. I've held off on business plan, et cetera, to complete this course so that I started off on the right foot. So I'm very excited. I do have the LLC, but I may even do a name change based on what I've learned today. So I can't say enough about this course. And Damon and Diego have pretty much rocked my world, and it has been in a very very positive way. I'm excited about day two and day three. I am looking forward to it, extremely looking forward to it, and to the point where I'm probably going to register my boys and my wife to take this class in the near future. So I tip my hat to day one. You have changed my outlook on not just life, but also on a future business opportunity. And I can unplug from the man, so to speak. And working for the federal government, I just cannot wait. So um, I thank you. Keep doing what you're doing, and I look forward to day two. Good evening. This is Stephen Thomas from Denton, Texas. Well, day two's in the books, and I must say I feel like a snowflake in a snowstorm. Um, there is so much information that has been provided during drone command for a novice drone flyer such as myself that has me extremely excited about entering this industry. I will tell you that Diego and um, Damon are top-notch instructors. They have absolutely enlightened my mind and actually blown my mind on the potential of this industry, um, and the potential financial benefits that this industry provides if you follow the plan. So you have one fan here. I will be signing up for Sky Network tomorrow. Um, I don't know what more to say other than this program, in my opinion, is priceless for novice flyers. Well, even for experienced flyers, it really opens up avenues on websites, marketing information. I was always worried about how I was going to procure that information and do it properly and not open a business stumbling out of the gate um, with the wrong information. So this company has that package available in Skynet, and I will be taking full advantage of that. And I am looking so forward to getting started that I want to tip my hat and say thank you to Damien, to Diego, and to the whole staff at Skynet. Absolute outrageous, priceless job that you guys do. Um, Thank you very much from the bottom of my heart. My family thanks you. Anybody that watches this that is considering signing up for Drone Command or Skynet, I highly, highly, highly recommend that you think about it um, and take the leap. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. Just have confidence in yourself. Follow the program, and you will succeed. But it's all up to you. All right. Everybody have a good night. I wish you the best of luck, and I wish you the best future. Steven out.